Are you ready to take charge of your next camping trip, road adventure, or emergency backup plan? Whether you're powering a mini fridge in the wild or charging devices during a blackout, a reliable portable power station is your best friend. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best portable power stations that combine power, portability, and performance to keep you connected no matter where you are. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Anker SOLIX F1200 Portable Power Station. The Anker SOLIX F1200, also known as the Powerhouse 757, offers a premium combination of power, longevity, and user-friendly design. With a 1,229 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery and a 1,500 watt pure sine wave inverter, it is an excellent mid-range option for users needing reliable backup or off-grid power. Built to last, the F1200 battery supports over 3,000 charge cycles, maintaining 80% of its capacity for up to 10 years of use. Its durable construction is reinforced with automotive-grade aluminum alloy, ensuring protection and resilience against outdoor elements. The intuitive LED display provides real-time battery stats, power flow, and recharge status. Number 4. ECOFLOW Delta Pro Portable Power Station. The ECOFLOW Delta Pro is a powerhouse among portable power stations, designed for serious energy users who need a scalable, high-capacity solution for home backup, RVs, and off-grid living. It boasts a massive 3,600 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, expandable up to 25,000 watt-hours with additional batteries and smart accessories. This unit features a powerful 3,600 watt inverter with a surge capability of up to 7,200 watts, capable of running heavy-duty appliances such as air conditioners, refrigerators, power tools, and more. With 15 versatile output ports, including 4 AC outlets, USB-C, USB-A, car port, and Anderson port, it can power multiple devices simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The Delta Pro excels in recharging flexibility. It can be recharged through AC, solar panels, car charging, or even EV charging stations. Number 3. Anker SOLIX C1000 Portable Power Station. The Anker SOLIX C1000 offers a powerful, future-ready solution for anyone seeking a dependable portable energy source. Featuring a 1,056 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery and a 1,800 watt inverter, this power station is capable of running larger appliances, power tools, and essential home devices during outages or outdoor activities. Built for performance and durability, the C1000 supports up to 2,400 watts of surge output, making it suitable for high-demand applications. With 11 output ports, including 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports with up to 100 watts each, 2 USB-A ports, a car port, and 2 DC 5521 ports, it accommodates a wide range of devices simultaneously. The standout feature of the SOLIX C1000 is its rapid recharge capability. Number 2. Jackery Explorer 300 Portable Power Station. The Jackery Explorer 300 is a reliable and compact power station designed for users who prioritize portability, simplicity, and reliable performance. With a 293 watt-hour lithium-ion battery and a 300 watt pure sine wave inverter, this model is tailored for charging small electronics and essential devices while off-grid or during emergencies. One of its most impressive features is its lightweight design, weighing only 7.1 pounds. The Explorer 300 is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, weekend travelers, and those who want a portable backup for home use. It includes 6 versatile ports, including 2 AC outlets, a 60-watt USB-C PD port for faster laptop charging, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 DC car port, giving you flexibility to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Number 1. BLUETTI EB3A Portable Power Station. The BLUETTI EB3A is a compact yet impressively powerful portable power station that caters to users seeking a lightweight solution without compromising functionality. Equipped with a 268 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, the EB3A stands out for its longevity, safety, and efficiency. Its 600-watt pure sine wave inverter, with a surge capability of up to 1,200 watts, is suitable for powering small appliances, laptops, and various mobile devices. What sets the EB3A apart is its super fast recharging. Like, subscribe, and comment below which power station you would trust on your next adventure.